GBP CAD is on the move right now, so I'm dropping this in the signals. I love documenting my journey, wins, losses, or break evens. We document everything. So this is just a journey, a new journey that I'm on. And just like how I started YouTube, I'm documenting now with the signals and live trading. This is what everybody wants, and it's a need for it because people are busy and too busy to learn how to trade. Like I spent 8 years learning how to trade. People don't have that time or that ability. So they would love to take advantage of signals. That's fine if that's the person that you are. And I want to help you guys. So GBP CAD, this is the signal right here, and we're going to track it.
2 turns of 4, 4 turns of 8. Sleep and get paid. Rich when I wait.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Jayway, you know, representing Team Take Profits. And I wanted to take you on a journey this time of how I prep my signals, my signals for the Discord, and most importantly, I'm continuing mastering forex indicators. I'm showing you how I use the quarter points. Have you ever heard of the quarter point theory? I'm basically taking you on a journey on how I look at that, how I read them, how I understand them according to the way that I trade. So last week I basically gave you an introductory on the quarter points, and I kind of back tested and show you how I do it. Today in this video, we're gonna do live trading. I'm gonna basically record every step of the way as much as I can, and then next video is going to be back testing together on live. This trade happened on November 2nd. This video will be released on November 3rd. Hey, so lock in, get your coffee, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day today. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so here's GBP CAD. I wanted to take you to the charts, take you out of Discord and bring you to the trading view. And I got this Fibonacci because I went from this peak down to here. And that's where I got that golden zone from. It's that 618 50% level. Okay. And I'm looking, and I know it is above the 50 moving average right here. I know price is above it, but also prices at the golden zone too. And I'm looking for, I don't know if it's going to break the trend line. You know, I'm not sure. That's another piece that I'm waiting for. But right now, I'm looking for price to hold at this golden zone because I see price action here with these wicks. So I'm trying to ride the momentum down to the 50, down to the trend line. And I'm going to pretty much be on defense until price actually do break the trend line. So I'm looking, this is a pocket for me to make some income. And I'm going to take advantage of this. And if we go down to the 30-minute chart, this is the actual signal and the trade setup that I'm sending out to the team that's on Discord. All right, so this is what we're looking at. It's a 1-to-1, and pretty much right here is the 50 moving average on the daily chart. So that's where I got TP at, and we're gonna track it and lock in profits along the way. So now we are moving along a little bit. We're not halfway there. I would say we're up about 10 pips. So usually around 10 pips, I want you guys to start locking in just a little bit of profit. We're not to the point where we're going to move up the stop loss from here to above here just yet. I want to see it. I want to see a couple more candles shoot down. I want to at least be up 20 pips before we move the stop loss, you know, to break even. So the yellow line is the entry, and let me change this white line to stop loss right here. So when price drop a little bit, maybe around 20 pips, then I would say we can move it to break even. But around 10 pips, I do like to start locking in a little percentage of what I'm making right now. Now we talking about quarter points right now. So if I double click on this and reset it, you can see the quarter point. It's a red line right here. This red line. And I told you, I like to see price reject at a certain level. And you can tell that, you know, obviously this is a solid level. So I'm looking to go from one quarter point to the next. Now my TP is a little bit past it. This is my TP down here, but here's the quarter point here. So I'm looking from going from this quarter point to this quarter point. All right. So that's the goal. Now, here's the thing. And I'm just going to be honest with you. If price drops from here and get down to this green quarter point, then I'm going to look and see. If I see candles like this starting to wick out, if I see candles like this, all these wicks right here at that green quarter point line, and it don't look like it's busting through with momentum, then I'm probably going to take profit. Or I'm going to really move that stop loss up and profit a lot, because it could just start consolidating there for the rest of the day and it can reverse up. So I made a video. If you didn't watch my last video, please watch it. I was showing you how I'm trading the quarter points. And now I want to show you in a live trade. And then after this, I want to back test with you guys to make sure, like, I want to do a live and make sure that we all got it perfected and know the ins and outs to it. So we tracking it. And so far we hit about 10 pips, and I keep you updated along the way. All right, so we're pretty much up 20 pips. 18 was at 9, no, about 19.3, 19 pips. So this is where I want us to move the stop loss up to break even, because we can't be up 20 pips and then lose this trade. We're halfway there to that green pivot line. This is the full TP. We'll see if we get there, which I think we can, but we got one more obstacle to face, and that's this green pivot point. And remember, green is the quarter and red is the major. So we're going from a major to a quarter. And I think we can get there for sure. But the whole TP, we will see. But we definitely need to move the stop loss up into break even so we do not lose this trade and secure some of the profits. You feel me? So now we made some money, and it's a risk-free trade. This is the quality of signals that I'm giving to you guys, and I'm just blessed and excited to be able to be consistently doing this. You know what I mean? Not hit or miss, not jam a bunch of signals down your throat, but quality over quantity. What's up, Jax? Hey, what's up? Did y'all meet Jax yet? Come here. Say hi to the people. Look at Jax. Look at our new dog. You guys might be seeing more of him in the vlogs coming soon. But this is Jax. We call him Jaxy Boy. Look at him. Look at him. Look up. Jaxy Boy. He loves it when we call him that. Jaxy. Hey, don't be licking me. I ain't into all that licking the dogs and stuff. I let them lick me a little bit, but you ain't licking me in the mouth, player. But yeah. Look at him. Hey. So you want to sit with me today and do the video? So I'm gonna let him sit right here. But anyways, guys, GBP CAD, set it off, baby. Set it off. Let's dive in. Here is the final outcome. This thing went full TP. I'm talking about with pretty much zero drawdown. Let's see what the drawdown was. 5 pips. The profit went down all the way down to 43, but we ended up getting like 40 of it, because that was the TP, 39.4 pips. So that's what happened. Now, don't forget, look at the pivot point. Pivot point to pivot point was really the main thing I wanted to show you. So bring out the pivot points. I mean, not the pivot points, the quarter theories. And look at that, from red to green. Let me move the stop loss. We always put that stop loss in break even once you get about 20 pips. So you can see right here, let's back it up for a minute. This is a live chart right now. It's 19 minutes to the candle close on this 30-minute chart. But rewind this joint right here and then fast forward it. You can see the reaction that you got at the pivot. Now in real time, you know what I'm saying, when it actually happened, you may have been triggered to take profit, because actually look at this red candle wick right here. So I'm saying, look at this wick. That was a full green candle at one point. That was a full green candle. So you would have been like, man, like I should have took profit at the pivot point. But the trade was, you know, I basically understood that this trade was dropping. So I mean, just sellers just kept kicking it down. You know, at the end of the day, whatever's gonna happen is what's gonna happen. So we can't explain everything that happens in the market, but we can pretty much have a general idea. And so 29, no. From pivot point to pivot point, from red line to green is 25 pips. All right. So can you see how price was wicking out right here? See those wicks? That happened at the red line, at the major. All right, that matters too. What type of reaction are you getting at the major? At the major quarter point line. Why did I put my TP down there though? Well, because I saw this demand zone right here. I saw this demand zone. Now this was a demand zone too. Right, this was a demand zone too, but this demand zone was already hit here. This was the first time it got hit right here, and then this is the second time it got hit and collect orders. So that demand zone is weak. So I'm like, all right, let's go. We're gonna go ahead and ride this one to the downside. You feel me? And we're gonna go, and then the fact that it was at a pivot point was just beautiful. And then take profit was just back down to this demand zone here. You know, and then we might get some type of pullback that go halfway, golden zone level or something like that, and then it may drop, or it may just pull back and go higher. Who knows? It's our job to just react to it. You feel me? So it was a great trade. We all got paid, and it was a great way to end the week, because I don't trade on Fridays. If you want to learn all of these tools and how to master them the right way, I can help you. Join the Discord. You can join it for free, and kind of, you know, be on the free side of it and see what's going on and see what we doing. And but if you really want to take it to the next level, join the mentorship if you want to learn, or if you don't have time to learn, you're too busy, or you're learning from somewhere else and you're not making money, but you're just learning whatever, just learning from YouTube, then join the Signals and make some money with us. You feel me? So hey, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.